Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job.
Hello everyone, this is Miss Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. So if you have completed your graduation and if you are looking for a part-time job or a contractual job opportunity, you can watch this video. Today the job update is from CACTUS company. It's a Singapore based MNC company and it is providing you a part-time contractor based job opportunity. The job role will be customer service and it will be complete work from home based job opportunity. So no need to visit anywhere. If you have a good internet connection and if you have your laptop or desktop, you can apply for this role and you can start working. So here they have mentioned some details about the company and they have clearly mentioned that this is a contractual opportunity for a duration of 3 months. Then they have mentioned 4 responsibilities. So in customer service role, you need to efficiently address customer requests while maintaining a high level of customer satisfaction, manage a high volume of customer inquiries promptly without compromising service quality, collaborate efficiently with team members and cross-functional teams, and work in shifts as per business requirements including Saturdays and Sundays. So any graduate can apply for this role. You just need to complete your graduation in any discipline, and if you have any experience on customer service, then that will be some plus, but experience is not mandatory. Freshers can also apply for this role. Also, some of the skills they have mentioned like strong attention to detail, proficient in prioritizing tasks, and excellent oral and written communication. Then application process they have mentioned, before applying, please ensure you meet the role requirements listed above and have a legal authorization to work in the country where this role is advertised. Our selection process typically involves an initial screening by a recruiter, a technical assessment, and 2 or 3 interview rounds. So here below they have provided the apply button. If you are interested, you can click on the apply button and you can apply online, and the complete procedure will be online. So your Teams account should be there so that you can go for the interview, and after that if you got selected, they will teach you how you can create the client VDI and you can start working for the customers. So that's all about today's job update. If you are interested, you can check the description area. There you will find the application link, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel to get regular job updates. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.
All about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.